Hi, welcome to Madlan. You are about to watch a video created for students by students. Today we are going to show you how to log into Madlan. If you haven't already received this, please ask your teacher for your username and password for Madlan. Open a web browser on your laptop, desktop or tablet. Go to www.madlan.com. Click on the login button at the right, enter your username and password that you got from your teacher on this login page and click login. If the next screen asks you to reset your password, you can do so at this time. Don't forget to write your password down somewhere safe so you can remember it for the next time. You're now logged into Madlan. This is your Madlan dashboard. Watch the next video to learn about the dashboard and everything that you have available after logging in.